This is an actual beautiful road, isn't it?
Yeah. These old roads often are with the overgrown oak.
Yeah, when they've had a bit of a chance to get established trees in,
Yeah.
they have some real character. You know, one thing we'll do is come back and do some of these back roads after we've done the main San Marco area.
Yeah.
Maybe not today, because I think we're going to run out of good light, but
Yeah, we can always do it, you know, tomorrow or the day after or
Yeah.
whatever.
yeah, this place has some real character, actually.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah, the wind almost feels cool in the shade.
Yeah, it does. Probably hot as anything in the...
Not sure I'd want to live here, though.
Yeah, you're definitely
Being
at
on the
risk.
lake, I'd be worried about flooding, and the
Yeah.
fact that San Marco is not even a half block over there.
Yeah, I've seen these roads, not necessarily this one, but I've seen the roads around here, a road or two away, flooded before.
Yeah, that's what I'd be worried about, because I know San Marco floods like crazy. Every time there's a hurricane, this and west side are always a foot or two underwater.
Yeah. I think we'll go around this little area as well. I wonder. Yeah, let's walk over here.
And then there's that.
What?
The train.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, you do have to watch footing around a little bit around here.
Oh, we're in someone's driveway.
Oh.
We need to move.
Thank you. We'll just walk off down here a minute.
Yeah. Keep walking for a bit.
Yeah. Certainly a pleasant little road.
Yeah.
Just take a quick check back, will you?
Fine.
Okay, good.
Two guys who were screaming left.
Oh, they were the kids over there who got
Yeah.
out. I think they were just joking with each other.
Yeah. But the people behind us just went to the house. So we're
Ah,
good.
okay. This almost looks like a church or something.
Could have been once upon a time.
Actually, it's got a...
You never know with these old buildings. They get repurposed so often. Yeah, it's got a business sign on it.
Yeah, I
so-
saw that, so maybe it has been Normally they're on the main road,
Yeah,
actually, the
there's 4 or 5
businesses.
cars parked outside, so
Could be they just run that as a 1972.
what's it say?
Down at the bottom it says 1972.
Ah.
Oh, I guess we go up there to the right and then we're almost at the main road.
Yeah. As much as I miss and love the train sounds from England, because we used to live near the trains,
Yeah,
I think that going off at 3 in the morning would just drive me crazy.
yeah. I don't think they do it in England, but they certainly do here if you happen to live near a train station or a rail line.
Yeah, I just remember them honking all the time.
Yeah.
Or maybe that was the freeway we lived next to.
You know what they do in England? They actually fence the track off so that you'd have to hop a fence to get over there, so that keeps animals and everything out. So I guess that's why they don't have to do it so much. And
Well,
British
you
Rail,
never know, it could be crazy homeless people or
yeah,
idiots who think that death by train is the way to go out.
it would certainly take you out pretty quickly, especially if you rooted your feet in the ground.
Yeah.
Just the momentum from the impact would kill you pretty fast. Look at this. Oh, that's San Marco Preservation Society as well. It must be all part of the same one.
Yeah, this is some old neighborhood from, got a sign back there somewhere I saw as we
Oh,
walked
right,
past.
I missed that.
Yeah, it was on the center of the cul-de-sac.
Oh, right. I'm guessing if we'd carried on, we'd be on this road now.
Yeah, if you go left, we'll hit San Marco proper. If we go right, we'll continue around the lake.
Oh.
Depends which way you want to go.
Yeah, we should get into San Marco, I think, and just see what the area's like.
Yeah. We can always come back here again.
Yeah. Definitely some beautiful houses here.
Yeah.
It's a shame they build everything like cookie cutter stuff now,
Yeah, I know.
because they,
Doesn't matter where you go in the U.S., all the buildings look the same. That's what I hate the most about globalism is like
yeah,
this stuff isn't just in America; it's all over the planet. Like
Oh,
you can
yeah.
go from Shanghai to Bangkok to New Delhi to London to
It's
New
all the
York
same.
to L.A. And all the buildings are starting to look exactly the same everywhere you go. It's just really kind of creepy and sad.
yeah. The only place that's different is Utah, because they seem to all go for the
Yeah.
local Utah businesses.
That's the Mormons. They've always lived by their
Yeah.
own drum.
That's true. But then it's a lot safer in Utah than most places in the rest of the country.
Yeah. They actually have cops who'll actually do things instead of.
Yeah, I think your chances of being mugged in a lot of Utah towns is like 1 in 443. Something crazy, you know, whereas here it's
Wonder if it's because they have decent cops, or I wonder if it's because they have.
law-abiding citizens.
I was gonna say strong Second Amendment protections.
Oh yeah, yeah, they do have that. I remember this guy with a crossbow turned up at a demonstration during COVID and shot one of the demonstrators with his
Oh
crossbow.
my God!
And I think he got away with it.
Is that in Utah?
Yeah,
Wow. And of course, it'd be Mormon town where somebody'd show up with a crossbow. and
Yeah.
shoot somebody with a crossbow.
I mean, he didn't shoot to really hurt him, but he ended up with a crossbow bolt in him.
Well, it's kind of hard to kill somebody with a crossbow bolt in modern times unless you're out in the woods.
Yeah, I guess you could do it because, you
I
know,
guess if you somehow got incredibly lucky and managed to nail them right in the heart or so, the lung or something.
yeah,
But,
crossbows are fairly
just,
powerful.
yeah, well, yeah, I guess if you hit him in the heart or the lung and or collapse their chest somehow, then maybe. But
That's-
still, I think in a demonstration, it wouldn't be that hard to carry the poor guy out to the edge.
Yeah.
In an ambulance.
Oh yeah, it wouldn't be too bad.
Yeah.
It's just an interesting thing to read about. See all the nice dresses over there. There's only a few of them though.
Yeah.
We're too far away to really get them properly. Okay. Now we get into totally different territory.
Yeah.
This is a nice little pavement cafe though.
Yeah.
We'll kind of turn right at the top and then walk down there.
Alright.
I think there's a Starbucks down here somewhere. Hey, how you doing?
Miss that sound?
Oh yeah.
Don't hear church bells enough these days.
Used to love them on a Sunday morning in the UK.
Yeah.
You just hear them pretty much wherever you were. I know one of the houses.
Yeah, Maple Street. That's like the one near us.
Yeah, that's a chain, that one.
Yeah, I guess they're a chain now.
with like a chocolate coat.
There's this. Oh no, the loop. There's not much down here actually. We probably should have gone the other way. Maybe we'll
Let's keep going.
yeah, okay, then we can just turn back and
Yeah, we can always turn back and get a view of the churches.
gonna step out the way of this guy with the
Yeah,
bike.
bike.
Okay, you go ahead. Good. How about yourself?
Good day.
Yeah, you too. Oh wow. Not quite Christmas yet, but they're getting in the spirit. This is a
Churches.
theatre. No, this one's a theatre actually. It's
Oh.
very, very old.
Oh, this is that one theater, isn't it?
Yeah, and there's a little cinema house just a little bit away along the other way, but that might be closed now after COVID.
Oh, yeah. Well, no, it might still be open because there's only a handful of places that do actual theater instead of.
Oh, this is probably open. I meant the cinema, because they
Yeah.
call them both
Is it a
theatres really.
film cinema or a theater cinema?
This is a theatre, as in performing
Yeah, like
theatre.
a performing people cinema.
Yeah.
Well, no, I was talking about the other one. Was it a?
Oh, it was a theatre, as in a movie theatre.
Yeah. But wasn't it like an art house one that did like?
It might have been. I know there's an art house one in 5 Points,
Yeah.
because we saw the girl with the dragon tattoo there when nobody else
Yeah.
would show it.
Oh yeah, I remember you really liked that guy who wrote those books.
Yeah.
Shame he died.
I know, he died at 50, just climbing the stairs in his office building because the elevator was out.
Underwoods.
That's
What
a,
this place is.
might be a theatre. Oh, it's a jeweller's. Huh. Interesting.
Oh, they're jewelers.
Yeah. I was thinking more like funeral parlour for some reason. I don't know why.
Well, Underwood is a traditional funeral name.